Join me as I take on the challenge of saving big while living on a tiny income. Can I really make it work? Saving money on a limited income is a crucial aspect of achieving financial stability. It's essential to understand that you don't need to earn a six-figure salary to start building wealth. With the right mindset and strategies, anyone can start saving and set themselves up for long-term financial success. Living paycheck to paycheck can be incredibly stressful, and it's easy to see why many people feel like saving money is an impossible task. The truth is, when you're barely scraping by, it can feel like you're drowning in bills and expenses. You might be thinking, how can I possibly save money when I can barely afford to pay my rent? But the reality is, if you don't start making some changes, you'll be stuck in this financial rut forever. One of the biggest challenges people face when trying to save money is the feeling of being overwhelmed. There are so many expenses to keep track of, and it's hard to know where to even start. It's easy to get caught up in the day-to-day struggle of making ends meet and forget to think about the bigger picture. Another challenge is the lack of financial literacy. Many people don't understand how to budget, invest, or manage their debt, which makes it even harder to save. A lot of people also struggle with the feeling of deprivation when they start cutting back on expenses. They might feel like they're missing out on fun experiences or that they're somehow less of a person because they can't afford to splurge on things they want. But the truth is, saving money isn't about depriving yourself of things you enjoy. It's about making conscious choices about how you spend your money. When you're living on a limited income, it's easy to feel like you're at the mercy of your finances. You might feel like you're just trying to survive rather than thrive. But the reality is, you have more control over your finances than you think. By making a few simple changes and adopting the right mindset, you can start saving money and taking control of your financial future. So let's talk about some practical tips and strategies for budgeting, cutting expenses, and finding additional income sources. First, it's essential to take a close look at your budget and see where you can cut back on unnecessary expenses. This might mean canceling subscription services you don't use, cooking at home instead of eating out, or finding ways to reduce your transportation costs. Another key strategy is to increase your income. This might mean taking on a side hustle, asking for a raise at work, or finding ways to monetize your skills and talents. You might be surprised at how much extra money you can bring in by making a few simple changes. It's also important to prioritize your spending and focus on the things that truly matter to you. This might mean cutting back on things like designer clothes or expensive vacations and instead investing. Additionally, building an emergency fund is crucial when you're living on a limited income. This will provide you with a safety net in case of unexpected expenses or financial setbacks. Aim to save 3 to 6 months' worth of expenses in an easily accessible savings account. I want to share a powerful success story with you. Sarah, a single mom living on a limited income, was determined to save money and provide a better life for her family. She started by cutting back on unnecessary expenses, like dining out and subscription services. She then increased her income by taking on a part-time job and selling items she no longer needed online. She also prioritized her spending, focusing on things like education and personal development. And finally, she built an emergency fund to provide a safety net in case of unexpected expenses. Through her hard work and determination, Sarah was able to save thousands of dollars and take control of her financial future. In conclusion, saving money on a limited income requires persistence, resourcefulness, and a willingness to make changes. By adopting the right mindset and strategies, you can start building wealth and achieving long-term financial success. Join me as I take on the challenge of cutting out all my unnecessary expenses for a month and see how much I can save. Wasting money on stupid things is a habit that's all too easy to fall into, and it's one that can have a serious impact on our personal finances. It's amazing how quickly those little purchases can add up, and before you know it, you're wondering where all your money went. From monthly subscription services we barely use, to impulse buys that seemed like a good idea at the time, to trendy gadgets that are just going to end up collecting dust. There are so many ways we throw our hard-earned cash away without even realizing it. We've all been guilty of it at some point or another. But the question is, what can we do to stop this cycle of wasteful spending? Take a closer look at your bank statement, and you'll probably be surprised at just how much money you're wasting on things that aren't truly bringing you value or joy. And let's be real, it's not just about the money, it's about the stress and anxiety that comes with living paycheck to paycheck, or constantly worrying about how you're going to make ends meet. When we're more mindful about our spending, we're not only saving money, we're also saving ourselves from a lot of unnecessary stress and anxiety. There are so many clever marketing tactics out there designed to get us to part with our cash. From limited time offers to social media ads that make us feel like we need the latest and greatest thing. And let's not forget about the pressure from our friends and family to keep up with the latest trends or to treat ourselves to something special. It's no wonder we end up wasting money on things that don't truly matter to us. But the truth is, we have the power to take control of our spending habits, and it starts with being more mindful of our motivations. When we take the time to really think about why we're making a purchase, we're more likely to realize that it's not truly necessary. We're more likely to realize that we're just trying to fill a void or seek validation from others. And when we start to make purchases based on our true values and goals, that's when we start to see real change. So, how can you start making a change today? The first step is to take a close look at your budget and identify areas where you can cut back on unnecessary expenses. Make a list of your values and goals, and then ask yourself if each purchase is aligning with those values. Start practicing mindful spending, and remember that every dollar you save is a dollar you can use towards something that truly matters to you. The key to stopping wasteful spending is to be more intentional about our purchases, and to start making choices that align with our true values and goals. It's not about depriving ourselves of things we enjoy, it's about being more mindful and present in our daily lives. Join me as I take on the challenge of saving big money using these 20 surprising tips, and see just how much I can cut from my budget. When it comes to saving money, we often think we need to make drastic changes to our lifestyles. But the truth is, it's the small, unexpected changes that can add up to make a big difference. Today, I'm excited to share with you 20 surprising tips that can help you save big money without having to sacrifice too much. We've all been there, struggling to make ends meet, living paycheck to paycheck, and never quite able to get ahead. It's easy to feel like we're doing everything right, but still not seeing the results we want. But the truth is, we often overlook the simple methods to save money, and that's exactly what I want to talk about today. We get caught up in trying to cut back on big expenses, like rent or car payments, but we forget about the little expenses that can add up quickly. From daily coffee habits to monthly subscription services, these small expenses can eat away at our budgets without us even realizing it. Managing our finances can be overwhelming, to say the least. It's hard to know where to start, or what changes to make, especially when it feels like we're already living on a tight budget. But the key is to start small, and to start looking at our finances in a different way. Instead of just cutting back on expenses, let's focus on making small changes that can add up to make a big difference. We've all heard the saying, a penny saved is a penny earned, but when it comes to saving money, every little bit counts. And that's exactly what these 20 surprising tips are all about, making small changes that can add up to make a big difference. Here's tip number 1. Cancel your gym membership and start exercising at home. I know, it sounds simple, but think about it. If you're paying $50 a month for a gym membership you barely use, that's $600 a year that could be going towards something else. And the best part is, there are so many free workout resources available online. You can still get a great workout without breaking the bank. Tip number 2. Start meal prepping on the weekends. By taking just a few hours on Sunday to prep healthy meals for the week, you can save money on lunches and dinners out and eat healthier too. And tip number 3, try using cashback apps for your online purchases. From groceries to clothing, these apps can give you money back on your purchases, adding up to big savings over time. Tip number 4, DIY your cleaning supplies. By making your own cleaning products at home, you can save money on harsh chemicals and toxins and keep your home clean too. Tip number 5, start a one-in, one-out policy with your clothes. By getting rid of an old item every time you bring a new one into your closet, you can avoid clutter and save money on clothes too. Tip number 6, use the 50-30-20 rule for allocating your income. By dividing your income into necessities, discretionary spending, and savings, you can make sure you're prioritizing your spending and saving goals. Tip number 7, use public transportation. By ditching your car and using public transportation, you can save money on gas, insurance, and maintenance. Tip number 8, cancel your subscription services. From music streaming to box subscriptions, take a hard look at what you're really using and what you can cut back on. Tip number 9, shop during off-peak seasons. By shopping for things like winter clothes in the summer or summer clothes in the winter, you can get the same items for a fraction of the cost. And tip number 10, use the savings app. By setting aside a small amount each day or week, you can add up to big savings over time. Tip number 11, repurpose old items. By getting creative with items you already own, you can save money on new purchases and reduce waste too. Tip number 12, use energy-efficient light bulbs. By switching to energy-efficient light bulbs, you can save money on your energy bill and reduce your carbon footprint. Tip number 13, cook meals in bulk. By cooking a big batch of food on the weekends, you can save money on lunches and dinners out and eat healthier too. Tip number 14, sell your unwanted items. By decluttering your home and selling items you no longer need, you can make some extra cash and add to your savings. Tip number 15, use a budgeting app. By tracking your income and expenses, you can get a clear picture of where your money is going and make changes to save more. Tip number 16, start a side hustle. Whether it's freelancing, dog walking, or selling items online, a side hustle can add extra income to your budget and help you save more. Tip number 17, use the envelope system. By dividing your expenses into categories and using cash for each one, you can stick to your budget and avoid overspending. Tip number 18, take advantage of employee benefits. By taking advantage of benefits like 401k matching and flexible spending accounts, you can add to your savings and reduce your taxable income. Tip number 19, save your change. By saving your spare change in a jar or piggy bank, you can add up to big savings over time. And tip number 20, review your insurance policies. By reviewing your insurance policies and making changes to what you need, you can save money on premiums and get better coverage too. Of all the tips I've shared today, this one might be the most surprising and the most impactful. By reviewing your insurance policies, you can save hundreds, even thousands of dollars a year. It's worth taking the time to review your policies and make changes to what you need. These 20 tips might seem small, but trust me, they can add up to make a big difference in your savings. So take some time to think about which ones you can start using right away, and see just how much you can cut from your budget. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to comment below with your favorite tip or share your own money saving strategies. And if you want to learn more about managing your finances and saving money, be sure to check out our next video for more tips and tricks.